Welcome to Report and Run's Quick Tips, where you learn skills fast. In this video, we're going to show you how to add boilerplate text to all of your reports, such as a product disclosure, compliance notice, or an advertisement. Let's get started. From the main page, tap on the overflow menu, top right. Choose User Profiles. Scroll to the bottom of the list. Then tap the checkbox labeled Include Text at the end of PDF. Tap on the line below the checkbox. Typically, users will include at the bottom of each report a non-disclosure statement of the contained information, or you could include some promotional literature you would like your recipients to read at the end of each report. Let's generate the report and see how it looks. You now know how to add boilerplate text to all of your reports. Try our other quick tips to learn about the many powerful features available to you in your free version of Report and Run. We would like to thank you for watching our Quick Tips learning series and would encourage you to subscribe and hit the notification bell for new updates about future resources. Please press thumbs up if you found this video helpful, and for all other questions you may email us at support@reportandrun.com.